As part of the government's effort to prepare in advance should the third wave of COVID-19 hit the state, Shri A.L. Hegg paid a visit to the civil hospital in Ampati along with the Director of Health Dr. Amanwar, the Deputy Commissioner, the Superintendent of Police and others. Speaking to the media, Shri Hegg said that it is difficult to predict whether the third wave will hit the state or not, but as part of the Health Ministry, they will do their best to prepare to provide the best medical assistance to the public, adding that the government has done its best in every sphere to combat the pandemic.
Ampati district along with DC, DHSMI, Joint Director, MSU to take a review for how we are prepared for this coming and any eventuality, any situation will come to the third wave. So from the government and the department, we should be ready. So I will request the DHSMI to little bit elaborate how we are prepared for the third wave and the situation of COVID.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we have come all the way and under your guidance and leadership, and we have had a very fruitful meeting along with the district administration under the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Ram Krishna, and the Joint Director of Tourism Division, Dr. Jalunga Marak, Dr. Nongri, Joint Director, and the DMNHU, Dr. Lili Marak. So, from the discussion which we had with all concerned, we have found that Southwest Garam Hills is one of the districts which has improved considerably from the last time when we came. Now, as we could see, that this particular district, including the hospitals, the PHCs and CHCs, are in a position to combat effectively in case there is a surge. And as of now, what we have seen is the management of the COVID situation in the district is overall, I think, exemplary. And we feel that with such preparation, we are in a position to say with confidence that any type of wave that comes, with God's help and with the hard work being put in by all concerned, we'll be able to tide over this crisis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In our district, we are having a focused approach to vaccination because vaccination is the most effective tool we have in this fight against the pandemic. Here in our district, the responsibility is divided between all the departments, and each department is given a specific responsibility in terms of creating awareness and mobilizing people. Under the leadership of the BDOs, at the block level, the mobilization is being done. The block level BDOs, Gram Sevaks and TS, they will do the mobilization of the job holders through VECs and also the market committees. Secondly, ANMs and Anganwadi workers, they focus on women with children less than 5 years of age. They go create awareness and answer their questions regarding vaccine hesitancy, and then they will mobilize those sections of the people. Similarly, from MSLRLS, we are approaching the NGO SHGs, and SHGs are mobilized